Hi, everyone. I'm Alicia, and today I'm joined by Matteo of LHP Europe. How are you doing today?
Hi, I'm doing great. Thanks.
Great. So in this video, we are showcasing your business analytics solutions. So at LHP Europe, your business analytics solution is data type independent and can merge together with different data sources such as Oracle database, SQL server database, Excel files, text files, and websites, all in order to produce easily accessible and quick to navigate dashboards and reports for companies. So at this time, I'd like to just turn it over to you to tell us a little bit more about how this is achieved.
Thank you very much. So as you mentioned, our solution is based on the idea of providing a data-independent platform for all organizations. So everyone who uses, for example, Excel files to track the budget or track project management, or maybe has different databases in-house. So Oracle, maybe SQL Server, Access databases in some case. With this tool, it's possible to merge all the information and provide very quick reports. And also, it is possible to integrate this with real-time monitoring of other data sources and basically integrate any kind of data that is of interest for the organization. But let me go ahead and show you a demo about this. Okay, here it is. Everything in our solution starts from a dashboard. So a comprehensive visualization of several departments of the organization. So here you can see, starting from the top left corner and going clockwise, the human resources reports, suppliers reports, financial reports, and customers reports. So each of these more in-depth reports of each of these sections of the organization, let's say. So if you click, for example, on the human resources one, you will access all the information about that field. Okay, so here you can take a look at the overall efficiency of the production of the organization, so per month. And you can see the comparison between the productiveness of the facility, and also, say, the other bar is considering all the unproductive time. So this is a comparison between how much time it actually takes to produce work pieces and how much time it takes also to prepare the machines and so on. All of these data come from either Excel files or SQL Server database. Here you can see in this report, on the bottom part, you can take a look at a plot based on the operators. And in the other two plots, you can see the hours spent on holidays, for example, and the hours spent outside the working hours, the normal working shifts. So you can filter these plots in several ways. For example, you can filter by month, and you can see what happens. But you can also filter through the plots themselves. So if you click on a specific operator, for example, you can access all those other plots filtered by that specific operator. So now let me go back to the dashboard and show you the suppliers report, which is very similar to the customers report. So here you can see an overall view of the suppliers. So also here you can filter all this information by the plots or by the filter boxes that we placed here. This is obviously highly customizable based on the needs of whoever wants to implement the solution. Here you have a plot by month. So instead of by supplier, you have a plot based on time, so based on the several months. You can also see the status of each single order, purchase order for suppliers. So for example, closed or just taken into consideration, or partially closed, for example. Here the same concept as before holds. So you can filter all the information starting from the plot itself. So as you can see here, or you can also filter by month or by supplier. So the other report that I'd like to show is the financial one. So here we put together some information coming from handmade budgets, let's say, and also considers how projects are going, when a supplier will be paid, or when a customer will pay their orders. and so on. So this is a highly dynamic report and shows a snapshot of the current and more informative situation of the company. So also here, you see we placed here 3 specific metrics. For example, the profit in the last one, and you can filter by month. So this number here is up to the month it is selected. So if we go here, for example, in May, you can see the numbers changing. And also here, just to be more intuitive, we placed a specific metric that you can select from this filter over here and add another filtering action by month. And here on this plot, you can see a comparison between the budget that was estimated by the company and the actual performances.
All right, well, thank you so much for showing us that demo. I think it really illustrated how LHP Europe makes it possible for companies to utilize this system, utilize their data and the capabilities that you described to leverage and meet their needs for customer satisfaction, product and process improvement, and even operational efficiency. So if you're watching this video now and you're interested in learning more, you can get in contact with the LHP Europe team by visiting online and filling out the Contact Us form. You can also find different phone numbers on there to get in touch with the team to get any questions that you have answered. And the team at LHP Europe will be looking forward to speaking with you soon. Thanks so much for watching.